Hi there, this is David Jem and Jacqueline Daniels from beautiful Lake Tahoe. Today,
we are in the Nakoma Resort in the La Sierra. For those of you who don't know, the La Sierra is located about 30 minutes north of Truckee. This estate is incredible. We're on 10 acres, the home's 7,100 square feet, and it overlooks the Middle Fork of the Feather River.
we're gonna really talk about this house because this is a very special property, so come in and check it out. Brought me here a couple weeks ago, and honestly, I was blown away. I think what made this feel special to me is when I walked in, like, this house felt like a home that someone's been working their whole life would want.
There's two wings to the property. On one wing are bedrooms and bath. On the other wing is an entertainment area, kitchen. It's 7,100 square feet, and downstairs you'll find a saloon, you'll find, as you saw, a theater. It is truly unique. And the other thing, it's on 10 acres, and you can have horses.
Well, it's 10 acres on the Feather River.
Yes.
In a golf course community.
Yes.
You have the Sierra Buttes in your backyard, you have Gold Lake, you have Lake Davis, and you have Tahoe and Truckee 30 minutes away.
Yeah.
You have your own wood shop in this house. You have a 4-car garage. He designed the steps down to the saloon as a mining shaft.
Yeah.
This is really one of those kind of places where you can actually reinvent kind of what you think you like in life.
Mm-hmm. Well, you can also unplug. So for those who have teenagers or young children that are just stuck behind their computers and screens all day, coming out here, there's so much to do. There's so much space to run. Have your pets, your horses, whatever you want. It just allows you to get back to nature.
We hope that you enjoyed, just kind of learning a little bit about the house. And if you're the buyer who's been working his whole life and you've been sitting there thinking to yourself, I just want a place to relax and call my own and feel my family and feel at peace, this might be your home.